Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which poem ends, I shall but love thee better after death? A. How do I love thee? B. Ode to a Grecian urn. C. In faith I do not love thee with mine eyes. D. Let me not to the marriage of true minds. Right answer is option A. How do I love thee? Next question. In The Archaeology of Knowledge, Michel Foucault replaces the concept of the author with which term? A. Interpreter. B. Subject position. C. Enunciative function. D. Cultural code. Right answer is option C. Enunciative function. Next question. Which of the following texts is associated with the concept of the sublime, as defined in the 18th century? A. Samuel Johnson's Lives of the Poets. B. Edmund Burke's A Philosophical Inquiry into the Origin of Our Ideas of the Sublime and Beautiful. C. William Blake's The Marriage of Heaven and Hell. D. David Hume's A Treatise of Human Nature. Right answer is option B. Edmund Burke's A Philosophical Inquiry. Next question. Which poem by T.S. Eliot includes the lines, These fragments I have shod against my ruins? A. Ash Wednesday. B. The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock. C. The Hollow Men. D. The Waste Land. Right answer is option D. The Waste Land. Next question. Who among the following critics formulated the concept of the horizon of expectations in reception theory? A. Wolfgang Iser. B. Stanley Fish. C. Hans Robert Joss. D. Harold Bloom. Right answer is option C. Hans Robert Joss. Next question. In which novel does the character Stephen Dedalus first appear? A. A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man. B. Ulysses. C. Dubliners. D. Finnegan's Wake. Right answer is option C. Dubliners. Next question. Which play by Harold Pinter is known for the term Pinteresque silence? A. The Birthday Party. B. The Caretaker. C. The Dumb Waiter. D. The Homecoming. Right answer is option C. The Dumb Waiter. Next question. In Derrida's theory of deconstruction, the term difference implies A. Structural duality. B. Binary opposition. C. Both differential and difference of meaning. D. The transcendental signified. Right answer is option C. Both differential and difference of meaning. Next question. Which post-colonial theorist argued that colonial discourse is always ambivalent? A. Edward Said. B. Homi K. Bhabha. C. Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. D. Frantz Fanon. Right answer is option B. Homi K. Bhabha. Next question. What is the significance of the phrase, a heap of broken images, in modernist poetry? A. Celebration of tradition. B. Critique of realism. C. Fragmentation of meaning and form. D. Unity in diversity. Right answer is option C. Fragmentation of meaning and form. Next question. In the Norton Anthology of Theory and Criticism, which theorist is most closely associated with the idea of the death of the author? A. Roland Barthes. B. Jacques Lacan. C. Jean Baudrillard. D. Michel Foucault. Right answer is option A. Roland Barthes. Next question. In Orientalism, Edward Said claims that the West's representation of the East is primarily A. A celebration of Eastern culture and knowledge. B. A scientific endeavor to understand other civilizations. C. A politically motivated discourse that constructs the Orient as the other. D. A neutral academic pursuit detached from colonial power structures. Right answer is option C. A politically motivated discourse that constructs the Orient as the other. Question for you. The poem, O Captain, My Captain, is a tribute to 1. Abraham Lincoln. 2. Emily Dickinson. 3. George Washington. 4. Walt Whitman's brother. Write down your answer below in the comment box.